we are going to have a look at how to solve three set problems under set operations. So these are some of the tricks that you have to know. Okay, assuming this is our simple Venn diagram, that's the three set problem, right? We are dealing with a set of Indomie, spaghetti, as well as what, rice. Okay, we know that this portion belongs to those who normally enjoy all the three foods over here, right? I mean, those who eat Indomie, spaghetti, as well as rice are supposed to be in this room over here. So the assumption is that I'm using a room so that you can see everything that is happening. So on the three set problem, we have 8 different rooms. Is that okay? If you've already made a lesson on those who are supposed to be here, those who are supposed to be here, those who are supposed to be here as well. If you haven't watched that, I'll leave a link somewhere under this video so that you can go and check and have a look at that. Let's continue. Now we are over here. Which people are supposed to sleep in this room? Is that okay? And which people are supposed to sleep here, as well as which people are supposed to sleep here? That is what this video is all about. If you have a question that says that, assuming let's assume these people here are 10, right? These people, it means that those who normally take Indomies are what, are 10. Is that okay? And you were told that let's say here to 3 people enjoy Indomie and Spa only. So 3 people, right? 3 people enjoy Indomie and Spa only. Listen to my statement. I say only. That is why I place all the 3 over here. You have a reason, or at times you have to subtract the intersection from all the 3. And when do you do that? That is why you need to check that video and then know how to solve the 3 set problem properly. Now let's say over here too, you have 5 people take Indomie and rice. 5 people take Indomie and rice. 5 people take Indomie and rice. I didn't add the word only. So what I'm supposed to do is that since these guys takes all the 3, then it means that when I say 5 people take Indomie and rice, it means that these people are apart. Is that okay? The word is 5 people take Indomie and rice. I didn't add the word only. For that reason, I have to take these people out, because this portion here belongs to those who take Indomie and rice only. This room over here, when I go to this room here, the people that are supposed to be here are those who enjoy Indomie and rice only. I don't want anybody that takes for spaghetti. Is that okay? So when the sentence said that 5 people take Indomie and rice only, then you have to place all the 5 over here. But when the sentence says that 5 people take Indomie and rice open, what I mean by open is that they didn't add the word only. Then you need to take these people out. The reason why we are subtracting is that these people, they do all the 3, right? They enjoy all the 3. But here I know that people who are supposed to be in this room are people who take what, Indomie and what, rice only. Is that okay? Maybe you and I, you watching me right now, we only take Indomie and what, rice. We are supposed to be here. We don't want anybody that take what, spaghetti. And these people take all the 3, so we need to take them out. So that will be 5 for minus x over here, right? So assuming, so let's consider just one set. What I mean by one set is that we are talking about a set of what, Indomie. Is that okay? So this is the set of Indomie, right? This is the set of Indomie. Now let's see, after filling in all the spaces, you have to make sure that every room is occupied. If you are not giving any number, you just use a variable, a letter, to represent that. Is that okay? So what I mean by a letter here, you are not giving any information. Suppose you are not giving any information on this portion, and which people are supposed to be here? That is the question you should be asking yourself. So this portion belongs to those people who enjoy only Indomie. They don't take anything in addition to the Indomie. Is that okay? This is their room, right? They don't belong to anywhere on the Venn diagram again. So this is where they are supposed to be. For that reason, we are using a variable to represent that, right? You should use a variable to represent that. So let's use a for that. Is that okay? Now everywhere has to be occupied. So if you are not giving any information, you have to make sure that you represent that portion by what? A variable, right? Perfect. Now when you look at this set, which set is this one? Which building? Let's say this is a block, right? A school block or a hostel block. So let's consider this one to be a block. So let's come down here and do the scenario perfectly. Now we are having here to be x, and then from here to be 3. Here is what 5 minus 3 from the scenario, and then here you don't need to leave any space blank, right? So let's say here is a. Is that okay? And we are told that the whole building consists of what? How many people? 10, right? That is from the assumption over here. So we are told that the whole building, that is it. This is what I mean by the whole building, right? The whole building here consists of what? 10, right? So the set is what? The set of Indomie is what? Equal to 10 people, right? The whole building, right? The story building over here consists of what? 10 members on it. So how many rooms are on the story building? What I mean by the room is that let's look at something. Let me take this guy out. Let me wipe this portion over here so that you see what is happening. Assuming these people are not part, right? By assumption, assuming that these people are not part, what do? You can see that still this guy is inside the building of the Indomie. This guy is also there. This guy is also there. This guy is also there as well. Can you see what is happening? Yeah, exactly. For that reason, how many people take the Indomie? 10 people, right? 10 people are on that building. So when I want to add the number of people who take the Indomie, I have to add everybody here, right? And we were told that everybody on that building, they sum up to what? 10. So A, right? Or maybe you can start from say that 10. You know that 10 people are on the building, and they have been divided into 4 different rooms, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that okay? So A plus another 3 here plus what? X plus 5 minus X. Is that okay? So 10 people, everybody. When I add everybody here, that one gives me what? 10. Is that okay? Then you do your calculation perfectly, right? The calculation here is that you have to make sure that this guy also has X. Is that okay? Now that is why you need to subscribe to our channel and then join our WhatsApp group for more details, right? So the same applies to every set, right? The rest of the 2 sets, the same thing applies to them. Then when you are done, you sum everything here, everything in all the 8 reasons equal to what? The universal. So suppose that the entire building, right, has what? 100 people on it. Is that okay? You have to make sure that all the rooms, you add all the rooms one by one, then you go to what? 100. And before you add, make sure that every set is what? Complete. That is how you solve the 3 set problem. If you still have a problem, leave a comment below or join our WhatsApp group or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more details on how to solve the 3 set problem, whereby we break everything down into pieces step by step so that you don't have any problems in your final exams. Thank you for watching.